And just to put into perspective, we don't even know if this is the largest Kalia that ever existed, but just look for this one alone. Just look at the size of it. These looks like two adults, right, that are sitting.
Yeah.
So just look at these two human beings, adult human beings, and it gives you a little bit of a scale of the size of these ships. But yeah, I mean, this is something that's really, really unusual technology, and this is why the long distance travel was so possible.
But the main thing we have to focus on our history, because a lot of people don't think our people can do what they did.
Because we're looking at these rocks, they're like what, 10 to 20 tons each?
Yes.
And you bring them from hundreds, possibly thousands of miles away. That's something that we have a hard time doing today. It's difficult to move something that big today, let alone back 1,000 years ago.